Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, today we have a pretty clean, was donated to the auction, Toyota Celica. I've been driving it for a few days. It runs and drives great, but it's got a little rattle noise suspension wise. So let's take it for a spin. Hadn't detailed it yet or cleaned it or anything. I just made sure it runs and drives, has cold AC and all that other good stuff. That way when I sell it, I know I'm selling a good car. That's why I drive them all, and I'm not a big dealer. Anyway, I'll let you hear the noise. Rattle, rattle. That's it. I ain't even gotta go far. You hear it? I hope so. Let's see. I'm going to put it up on the lift and see if it's going to be something simple as the sway bar link pins, which would be amazing because that's going to be easy, or is it going to be like the Thunderbirds and it's going to need the strut tower mount bracket, whatever, strut mounts replaced. Other than that, man, this thing is amazing. I haven't had to put gas on it yet. I've been driving it for a while. Okay, let me get it on the lift and then we'll be right back. Here we go. All right, we have the, hang on, let's turn this down. La, 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 la. You cannot hear the Stevie Nicks singing because of monetary. I mean, I'm not monetized, but because of copyright issues. Anywho, I don't, ooh, that's dirty. Gotta clean that. I don't have a tripod with me today. This is a backup GoPro. So, just bear with me right here just a second. Let's put you down right there. So basically, I'm just putting my 220-pound bouncing ass on the car to see if I can hear it rattling. I did not hear it rattle on that side. Let's try this side. Definitely hear one. These trucks, man. It's hard to hear anything with all this traffic. Sounds kind of low, so I might get lucky and it might not be those. So let's get it up in the air. We'll be right back. All right, we are on the lift and up we go. Finally got my airline ran after 2 years of being in the shop. Curious to see how this looks underneath because it is from Colorado. Let me go get a flashlight. Should have had one with me already. La 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 la. Which one do I want to use? Nope, can't hear that. Led Zeppelin. La 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 la. What did I do with? There it is. Found it. Alright. Oh yeah, that bushing's all squished out. So it's gonna need struts anyway. A little bit of seepage around the seals. They still work. Tire wear is good on this side. Tire wear is a little bit chewed up on this side, so that's telling me the camber is off. There's no pulling left or right, so I know the toe is decent. Let's keep going. Let's see. There's a Kelly tire. Good enough. Is this one a Kelly tire? All right, so the tires were a matching set and probably have never been rotated. So we're gonna rotate these bad boys too. That way they can wear each other out evenly. First glance, not bad for a snow car. They must not use the salt product wherever this car was from. Those little marks right there tells me the springs are original. Whether the struts are or not, I have no idea. Somebody painted the calipers. Is that? Hang on a second. That's a funny looking color. Almost thought it was wet. Anyway, exhaust looks good. Still got the converter. That's amazing. No one's stolen it yet. CV axle looks good. Typical oil. That's probably, what is that? Power steering? Yep, that's probably power steering fluid. That little bit of seepage there is normal for the mileage. Valvoline quick change. Oil filter. That CV axle's good. All right. So here's the links. How's those bushings look? All right, let me put you down and grab some pry bars and some pliers and see if I can figure out that noise. I was hoping it was this busted or broken. Be right back. Mario. All right, so let the car down, put a little pressure on it. I don't think it's the struts. I think it's the sway bar link ends. The bushings are really good. I don't see any clean spots where they're moving side to side. They are kind of cheap to replace. I may replace them. This one's good too. Everything feels tight, just these loose links. The sway bar itself feels good and tight. Now this one over here, that's my rattle, and it's the link pin.
So how'd this one turn out? Oh, that AC might not be working.
AC works great.
Huh.
Super cool. Anyway, let me I'll get right back with you. See what this guy wants. This car is in really good condition. Look how thick those brakes are. 22-year-old car. I think somebody's here. Yep, somebody's here. Found one more noise. Gotta fix that. Just another hanger. Looks like it busted off of that one over there. Right. Oh, there. So that's it. I'm gonna do an oil change because I don't know when the last time an oil change has been done. And we might do a tune-up too. Let me pull one of those spark plugs and see how it does. But here's the main thing. These link ends. One nut there, one nut there. Boom, done. All right, let me let it down and go order some parts and listen to the trucks. Here we go. Buttoning up the tires on the little Celica. We did a oil change, and we got the brakes done, and we got these link pins, sway bar links done in the front and in the rear. So let's put these tires on and go for a test drive and see if the rattle is gone. Here we go. Splash guards put back on, fender wells are put back in, got a battery terminal on the way, coils are done, tune-up's done, and listen. No more clunk clunk. So we'll verify that. I think I'm gonna polish that headlight out. And we'll put a battery terminal on, then we'll go for a ride. Yep, here we go. All right, let's go for a little spin down the little bumpy side road and see if that fixed all the clank or just part of the clank. Let's find out. Definitely got part of it. Yep. That got the main part. Sure enough did. I'm not rattling. Sweet. That's what I wanted. Awesome sauce. Still hear the strut mount on the big bumps, but these little ones ain't making it go rattle no more. Nice. Now, do I want to go full way and do struts on this thing? I don't know. Let me think about it. But it's good enough to sell right now. I'm gonna do these wiper blades. Might fix a little clear coat. Done the oil change, done transmission service, done brakes. What else? I think that's all. Got to redo the radio because I had to get battery turned on. Oh, obviously clean it. Let's get it cleaned. Ooh, a crack. No, is it? How would it be cracked in the same spot on both sides? Or is that some kind of, I don't know. I think it's cracked. Nope. Who knows? I'll go look at another one. Anything else? Nope. That's it. Alright. Check your rattles, people. It doesn't always have to be struts. It could be something way more simpler. This time I was lucky. It was the sway bar link ends. Alright, I gotta go back to work. I gotta fix the fog lights on that there Harley. Have a good one.